Hey guys, so for this video we're going to be unboxing the Evil Dead steelbook. This was a Target exclusive, but I got it at eBay many years down the road. This is the remake of the movie as well. Sounds like the disc is loose in there, so hopefully it's not all scratched up. This one comes with the Blu-ray and the digital code as well. None of this is debossed. This is just a very bright red glossy finish, which is really nice. This glue is kind of old, so let me try and take this off. The front, the back, pretty sweet. The spine, there goes the disc. The inside without the codes. Pretty sweet, all this artwork in here. And the full steelbook. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys.